Tropical Depression Ada, the first weather disturbance to hit the country this year, is likely to induce rain which could peak over the weekend in Albay province. Then again, the odds are slim of major flooding in around the towns and cities where a grumbling Mayon volcano sits, with the latest Pag-asa forecast for Albay and also Cebu, where the Sinulog Fiesta celebration kicks off this weekend, as we hear more from our Rod Lagusad.
Rainfall is expected in the province of Albay as Tropical Depression Ada, the first tropical storm of the year, approaches the summer area. This coincides with the continuing activity of Mayon volcano, which is under alert level 3. According to Pag-asa weather specialist Benson J. Estareja, from Friday noon until Saturday noon, peak rainfall is expected in the area.
Yung ine-expect natin na weather condition, cloudy throughout the day, tapos nakikita natin may pabugso-bugsong malalakas na mga pag-ulan. Yung quantity niya paiba-iba, no? May times na mahina, may times na malalakas.
Estareja added that persistent rains may possibly cause flooding in low-lying areas. Around Mayon volcano, there's also a possibility of mudslides, landslides, and lahar flow. On Sunday night, light to moderate rains are expected in Albay, while rainfall is expected to decrease by Monday. As of now, the province has not yet been affected by the tropical cyclone. In Cebu City, where the annual Sinulog Festival kicks off, retrieval operations continue at the collapsed landfill site. The province is not included in the weather advisory issued for the next 3 days.
So wala pa, or maliit lang yung chance na mag-exceed ng 50 millimeters yung dami ng ulan dun sa may Cebu, except of course dun sa mga thunderstorm. Possible pa rin yan within the next 3 days. Pero hindi siya yung katulad nung mga pag-ulan na nanggagaling sa bagyong Ada.
He said that scattered rains and thunderstorms will be experienced in the area. Pag-asa explained the occurrence of a tropical cyclone in the month of January is rare. One of the possible reasons being considered is the presence of La Nina.
Bagamat weak, but we expect the effects during the first quarter of this year. So inasahan natin na pangkaraniwan medyo maulan. Most areas of the country will experience above normal rainfall. No? Alam naman natin kapag La Nina, medyo mainit ang karagatan malapit dito sa atin.
He said this is one of the possibilities that could lead to the formation of a low-pressure area or eventually a typhoon. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.